the last time I was here, I was trying to get a lawyer and I was just confused about everything and I didn't get anything in notice, so I forgot. I'm not gonna lie, Your Honor, I forgot about everything. I take a lot of medicine and I have like short-term memory. Um,
Hello, what's your name?
Nita Mills.
Of course it is. All right. So we should be at about 1,100 still.
I have, yep, $1,297.31. I,
200, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, 297.31.
Okay. All right. How are we gonna get that paid off?
So I talked to Melissa, and I don't know why she denied me a payment plan because she have helped me years ago. But anyway, she said she made note that I was going to make 2 partial payments. So I decided, if possible, if I can just pay the full balance by next Friday, that would be best for me.
Just be done.
And just be done.
I got you.
These late fees, McKinley is it's too much for me. I had to take off work today. I'm still gonna go, but I had to take off because she wasn't willing to work with my payment.
But it's okay. You got to see me.
Exactly.
See? All right. So let me get this right. You're gonna pay it by the 21st.
If I could pay it next Friday, because I still gotta do July, but I'm not gonna worry about that. I'll have July.
Okay, so here's what I don't want. I don't want you to have to take off another Friday. Okay, so you're gonna get it paid on the 21st.
Yes.
Okay, so here's what
What time?
I could do morning, because it could be before, but I want to give myself at least till Friday so I can guarantee.
right. So here's what I was gonna do. I trust her because I think she's gonna do what she says. So I'm going to adjourn it to the 28th, 2024 at 1.
Thank you.
But if you have everything paid off, you don't have to show up.
Okay.
Just continue to work. So you get it, and I marked it in the file that she's got to pay it on the 21st. You get it paid on the 21st. They're going to dismiss it out if you've got everything paid.
Okay, thank
And you
you.
can check with Melissa just to confirm that you're guys are involved.
Okay.
That's so they don't get surprised. There shouldn't be anything else added, but so that you have that peace of mind.
No more late fees, right?
Not for this month.
Okay.
Ma'am. So.
Okay,
Just
will that,
check with Melissa.
will that work for you, Miss Mills?
Yes, sir.
All right, then I probably won't see you again. I'll miss you.
Is it possible I can have a work letter as well?
Man, see,
Please,
no, she started that the last time. Then the next thing I knew, all these people coming up. I gotta do, this is hard work up here. And you want a letter?
I just want to make sure I'm secure. Please.
You already did her letter. You weren't even waiting for me to give the good go ahead. Of course, Ms. Mills, we'll get you.
Thank you, Judge. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Gulfside Lakes versus Tracy Hughes. And company. Oh, he was ready to come through. Go ahead.
Yes, a sticker and everything.
I have a sticker. I will be a policeman.
He's not doing what he should do. You want a job? Okay. Your name, ma'am?
Tracy.
And with more importantly, what's his name?
What's your name?
Kenzo.
Say it again.
Kenzo.
Kenzo. Oh, that's a strong name. All right. Okay, where are we with her case?
Your Honor, I have a balance of $1,336.99. It sounds like she's been in contact with Melissa as well, working with rapid rehousing, and there's also, it sounds like an SDR application.
Yes, and then I spoke with Rising Hope, and they told me that that they're going to help pay for all of it, and that it could be as soon as Monday, but she can't guarantee. Okay, can you wait? You can wait, yes. She said that like they could pay it as soon as hopefully as soon as Monday, that they're expediting it to get it done.
The balance?
The
Okay.
entire balance, but that if they don't, then she'll be in contact with me on Monday to let me know the exact date they'll pay.
Okay, so I can do one or two things. I can put this out to next week and then we know, or put it out to the 28th. And it's likely to be paid and then we can do that because I know 28th. All right. Let's do that. So ma'am, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put you out June 28th, 2024, 1 p.m. And then if everything gets paid, they'll likely dismiss the case and you'll be all set.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye, little man. Say bye. He said, I ain't paying attention to you. I said, he said, I'm out. I gotta roll.
Yeah.
It's a lot of energy. I'm tired. What's your name?
Brittany Berkey.
All right. Uh, Um, last time we were here, she was to file an answer within 7 days. I don't have a written answer. Did you file one?
Yeah, so the last time I was here, I was trying to get a lawyer and I was just confused about everything and I didn't get anything in notice, so I forgot. I'm not gonna lie, Your Honor, I forgot about everything. I take a lot of medicine and I have like short-term memory. So I do apologize on that. And I was really overwhelmed with my job that I am new at, and I did forget what I was supposed to do.
All right. Well, I can tell you right now, I had 1429.80 owed. You were supposed to file a written answer with the court. I don't have a written answer.
Yeah, and then I
When
was
your, hold
unaware.
on,
Oh,
when
sorry.
your rent, you were at 1429. We were on the last day of the month. It was actually going to be 2734.70 by when June kicked in.
Mhm.
But they issued an escrow order. You would have paid June rent into the court of $1,239, which I don't think we have either.
Uh.
All right. How much is owing on her account?
I have a current balance including court costs of $2,884.70.
Yeah,
All right.
I paid, I went to go pay today, because I found out I had court this morning. So I came up here to pay because I got paid today, because I did have my car broke down. I did have to end up using the funds for that. I applied for SER because now I am short on funds because of my car. I was trying to pay 1,500 today, but then I found out the escrow here has to be in cash. So I went around town because my boss let me get off around 1. And I went around all these ATMs to get cash, and then my card stopped at 800. So I was able to put 800 in the escrow. So I can put 15 by
Did
Monday,
you put 800? Is that 800?
right before court.
Paid today?
Yeah.
Oh,
I can
see.
put the
I-
rest in on Monday, and then I get paid again in 2 weeks. And then I get paid again in
Hold
another
on,
2 weeks.
stop for a moment. You paid 800 into escrow. You're gonna put how much into?
I gotta figure out how without my card keep getting declined from these ATMs, because I have identity theft, so banks aren't really the best possibility for me. So I can do like the rest of the 15 on Monday. I just gotta figure out the best solution for that
All right,
without me running around town
so
like,
I'm gonna go 700 by Monday the
Yeah.
17th.
and then I get paid again in another 2 weeks, and then I can do another
When you say
12.
2 weeks, that's from from today?
Yeah, but I don't get paid in the morning with Gusto. I get paid like around like 1:30. It kicks in my bank account. So 1:30 active, it's weird. I don't know. Sometimes, so so around like 1:32, it'll probably get in my account in 2 weeks from today. I did apply from Friends Indeed and like SER, but I do work for a nonprofit helping other people like coincidentally in my situation. So that I've been focusing on helping others and not myself, which I guess you can't fill from an empty cup. So I would rather take care of this on my own and not take from other funds when others really need it, when I can end up paying this myself eventually. If I get another couple more weeks and others who really do need it can use from the funds from the state.
Okay, the 28th, how much are you gonna be able to pay?
That's in 2 weeks
Yes, ma'am.
from now. So not including the rest of what I said on Monday, my paycheck will be 1,200. If I could save like 200 for like gas and stuff and some
So you
food.
can pay 1,000 on the 28th?
Yeah, and
Okay.
then,
Okay, I'm gonna
And-
stop there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjourn your case out to the 28th. You gotta get that paid as soon as you can
yeah,
on that date. Or bring the cash to the court. Okay, and put it into escrow.
do I have to do that or is there,
Do what?
okay, so am I only to do it through the court or?
Well,
Take
at this
the-
point, what I want you to do is do it through the court so that I know that it's paid because this other stuff that I asked you to do didn't get done.
Yeah,
So I
sorry,
want the
Your Honor.
700 to the court and
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
1,000 to the court.
Mhm.
I'm going to adjourn your case to June 28th, 2024 at 1 PM.
Can I, hold on. Sorry, I have to write it down so I don't forget.
Okay.
Um, I can just write it on this pay slip. I just need a pen. Thank you, though. Come on. Just because my brain, what was it again?
June 28th
June 28th.
at 1 PM.
Okay, so then I would be able to pay that 1,000 though after, because how Augusta works, I get paid like later in the day.
Okay, we
So
will,
do you want to
I
do
want
it later?
this, I can only set it for 1. So show up at 1 o'clock. We'll figure out exactly where we're going. I just had the file marked. Okay,
Okay.
all right, but get the 700 in there and then we'll see where we're gonna head.
And then for my work though, do you mind if we do Zoom? Because I work from home and
That is fine if you want to appear via Zoom.
okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Okay, sorry, I wasn't able to get legal counsel or anything.
All right, it's okay. We'll just work through it and you need to get this done and then we'll be all set.
Yeah, I talked to McKinley and Melissa too. I showed that I never got the bank verification sent to me either, so they are also looking to drop the court fees and stuff and also talking about like withdrawing this, but I understand it's in the court now. It's up to you to do that. So I don't know how they would do that. So,
Well, they'll do it through their attorneys if that's what they're gonna do.
okay, but I do understand the court, because it's not like fully my fault. I was just physically unable to pay. They are willing to drop the court fees.
Okay, well, the only way I'm gonna know that is if their attorney tells me that.
Okay.
Okay, all
Thank you,
right,
Your Honor.
thank
I
you.
hope you enjoy the weekend.
I will do. You do the same.
Thank you.
Gulfside Lake versus Ned, Gulfside Lakes versus Hanson, Hamilton Crossing versus Kaiser. Those matters are dismissed on plaintiff's motion without prejudice. Is that it for us? Thank you, Ann. Thank you, Emily. Thank you, Alan, for the part you were awake. All right. For teenage stands adjourned.